Downloading and installing VirtualBox hands-on. VirtualBox is one of the most popular and user-friendly hypervisors for running virtual machines. In this lesson, we'll walk through how to download and install VirtualBox on your system. Step 1. Downloading VirtualBox. 1. Open your web browser and go to the official VirtualBox website, virtualbox.org. 2. Click on Downloads in the menu. 3. Choose the installer for your operating system. Windows hosts for Windows users, macOS hosts for Mac users, Linux distributions for Linux users. 4. Download the appropriate version of VirtualBox along with the VirtualBox extension pack, which provides additional features like USB support and remote desktop access. Step 2. Installing VirtualBox on Windows. 1. Open the downloaded.exe file and run the installer. 2. Click Next to proceed with the installation setup. 3. Leave the default installation settings as they are and click Next again. VirtualBox may prompt a network warning. Click Yes to continue. 5. Click Install, then wait for the installation to complete. 6. Once done, click Finish to launch VirtualBox. Step 3. Installing VirtualBox on macOS. 1. Open the download.dmg file. 2. Drag the VirtualBox icon into the Applications folder. 3. If macOS blocks the installation, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and allow VirtualBox under System Extensions. 4. Open VirtualBox from Applications and verify that it runs correctly. Step 4. Installing VirtualBox on Linux. 1. Open a terminal and install VirtualBox using the Package Manager. On Ubuntu Debian, sudo apt install VirtualBox. On Fedora, sudo dnf install VirtualBox stack. On Arch Linux, sudo pacman-s VirtualBox. 2. After installation, run VirtualBox in the terminal to launch the application. Final step, installing the extension pack. 1. Open VirtualBox and go to Preferences, Extensions. 2. Click Add, select the downloaded extension pack file and install it. 3. Accept the license agreement and VirtualBox is now fully set up. Now that VirtualBox is installed, we are ready to create and configure our first virtual machine in the next lesson.